For number 15 is a long division problem, so the key thing we have to remember is 1, divide the fronts. Step 2 is multiply. And then step 3 is switch both signs and add. So let's set it up as a long division problem. 2x plus 3 is on the outside. This is on the inside. And let's go ahead and start. So the front here is 8x to the fourth. The front here is 2x. So if I'm dividing 8 divided by 2, I get a 4. X to the fourth divided by x is x to the third. Next I multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. X to the third times x is x to the fourth. But we have to multiply by everything here now, not just the fronts. So 4 times 3 is going to be 12. And x to the third is still there. Now we switch both signs and add. So this becomes negative, this becomes negative. This will always cancel out. And adding straight down, I'm going to get negative 16x to the third. I can bring down the next one, or I can actually just bring down everything, because really we're just taking all these and adding nothing to it. So I'll just take down everything this time. And now I see my new front is now negative 16. So we repeat. Negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. X to the third divided by x is x squared. Whoops. Is x squared. Okay. So now I see that we have this. We can multiply. So negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. X to the third. Here I get minus 24 x squared. And again we switch both signs and add. So these are gone. 24 minus 4 is going to be 20 x squared. And make sure you're watching your steps as you go. So for example here I know it's 4x to the third. Next I have 8x, negative 8x squared, so it's not these two. And now when I switch signs and add, I get 20 plus 4x minus 21. So my new front is 20 divided by 2, which is 10, which we can see it still matches up. So 10x multiplying, I get 20x squared. Multiplying there, I get plus 30x. Switching both signs and add. Dividing, I should get 13, so negative 26 divided by 2 is negative 13, which is what both of those have. Multiplying, I get negative 26, negative 39, and then switching both sides, I get a positive, let's see, subtract, I get 18, and so that's my remainder, so it's plus 18 over 2x plus 3. And which one does that match up with? This one's a minus 18. This one's the positive. So the answer is D.